Okay, now, since we know how to find the determinant now, we're going to find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. So, let's look at a matrix A. We'll call it matrix A. Okay, and this matrix is a 2 by 2, namely negative 2, 5, 3, 7. Okay, so we're going to find its inverse. We want to find the inverse of A. So we're looking for find the inverse of A. Okay, well, the definition here of the inverse, or the mathematical definition, the inverse of A is 1 over the determinant of A. Ooh, maybe we should start over by defining A here. If A is the matrix A1, A2, B1, B2, then A inverse is 1 over the determinant, okay? We're going to flip-flop where A1 and B2 are. So this is going to be B2, and this will be A1. And then we're going to negate both B1, we want negative B1, and negate A2. Okay, so you flip-flop the left to right diagonal, and you negate the right to left diagonal. If you want to think of it that way. Okay? All right, so how does that work for us? Well, let's see. Move that back down. Okay, first off, let's find the determinant of A. The determinant of A. Well, we can basket weave this baby. Okay? Left to right diagonal, negative 2 times 7. Minus right to left diagonal, 3 times 5. My 5s aren't very good. So negative 14 minus 15. Negative 14 minus 15, that looks like negative 29 to me. Okay? So now we can actually kind of start this. The inverse of A is 1 over the determinant. We found the determinant was 29 times the matrix. And then we need to flip-flop the negative 2 and the 7. So this should be a 7, and this should be a negative 2. And then we need to negate both the 5 and the 3 and leave them where they were. Okay? We can leave it like this, or we can actually do that scalar multiplication and multiply the 1/29 through, the negative 1/29 through. Either way would work. Okay, so you can have negative 7 over 29. You can have positive, I made that too small, positive 5 over 29. Positive 3/29ths. And positive 2/29ths. I don't believe any of those reduce. Sometimes they do. But that's just another way of writing the inverse of A. So we'll write or in here. Either one of these answers would work. Or you can answer with this one. Okay, so that is how to find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix.